Hi there, we're going to be finding slope from 2 points. So we are given 2 points like we've been seeing, and we're going to need to find the slope between them. This is the equation we're going to use. We have m, which we should remember represents slope, equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. The way that these numbers here work is if we have 2 points, they're going to look like this. So what this means is this is the first point right here. That's why we have 1s for both of these. And we have x and y. So this is x in the first point, and this is y in the first point. Then over here we have the second point, so we have x in the second point and y in the second point. So our equation says y from the second point minus y from the first point over x from the second point minus x from the first point. We'll go through an example, and this should make a little bit more sense then. Okay, so we're asked to find the slope between the 2 points here. We've got 2 points. We've got our first point and our second point. And I think the first thing you should do is always write out what we have. So we've got x1, y1, x2, y2. So we can go ahead and take these and plug them straight into our formula, which I'm going to write out again here. So we've got our formula that we had from before, and now all we have to do is plug in our points. So y2 is equal to 18, and y1 is equal to 4. So that's our numerator, and then in our denominator, we have -2 for x2 and 5 for x1. So now that we have this, we can just go ahead and solve. 18 minus 4 gives us 14. And -2 minus 5 is -7. So we have 14 over -7. And when we divide this out, we should get a slope of -2. And that's our answer. That's the slope that's between these 2 points. The second one here, we're given a graph, and we're asked to find the slope of the line. Well, we've got 2 points marked out on here. Sometimes your graphs will have the points marked out. Sometimes they will be drawn on a grid, and you'll have to find the points on your own. I don't have a grid here, so I mark the points out for us. So we're going to figure out which points these are, and then we're going to use our formula to go ahead and solve it. So this first point right here, we see we've gone over 1 space to the right and then 2 spaces up. So this is going to be the point 1, 2. Our second point over here, we've gone over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. And then we've gone up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces as well. Not the best looking graph, but it'll work. So that means we've got the point 5, 5 here. And we want to go ahead and solve out for our slope. So I'm going to mark out what I have. And then we go ahead and plug into our formula. So I'm going to have 5 minus 2 over 5 minus 1. And I end up with 3 over 4. And this is a fraction we cannot simplify, so we want to leave it like it is. And 3/4 is going to be our answer.